Wagwan, wagwan. What's going on, people? Welcome back to Jamaica Alpha Space. All right, so we have been over, actually more than two lessons, but two officially, where you learn to introduce yourself in various different ways using the Jamaican dialect. But what I want to do is I want to touch on a couple of words that you should practice for your homework, right? And these will help you to understand and piece together the dialect much better. So we touch on wa is equivalent to what. Wa, guan. What is going on? Guan, going, right? Guan, going. Me is equivalent to I or me. Me, there, I'm here, right? Or you is equivalent to you. You, Y-U-H almost. You.